Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send an invoice on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned seller or new to making sales on this platform, knowing how to send an invoice can streamline your process and enhance your reputation with buyers. Let's dive in and simplify this task step by step. Before sending invoices, make sure your product listings are complete and accurate. This reduces buyer confusion and prevents disputes. To start, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser, like Google Chrome or Firefox, and navigate to eBay. You can do this by typing EBAY into your search bar. Once you've done that, click on the first search result you see. This should bring you straight to eBay's homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, look to the upper left-hand corner of your screen. You'll find a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to a page where you need to enter your login details, so make sure you have your username and password handy. Log in with your account information. Consider enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security on your eBay account. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your account summary. From here, you'll need to find the Orders tab. It's usually located at the top of the page. Click on this tab to view your ongoing transactions. In this section, you'll notice a label that says Awaiting Payment. Click on it. This will filter your orders to show only those items for which payments are pending. It's a handy feature that allows you to quickly identify items that need invoicing. Scroll through this list and find the specific item for which you want to send an invoice. Once you've located it, look for the option that says Send Invoice next to the item. Click on it to bring up the invoice details for that particular sale. Before proceeding, double-check all the details displayed on this page. You'll want to ensure everything is correct to avoid any misunderstandings with your buyer. This includes verifying the item itself, the price listed, and any applicable taxes or fees. If you're offering discounts or combined shipping, make sure to apply these adjustments before sending the invoice. Next, focus on the shipping address. It's crucial that the address is accurate to prevent any delivery mishaps. If there are any discrepancies, it might be worth reaching out to the buyer to verify this information. Now take a look at the shipping method. Ensure that the options match what you offer and are suitable for the item size and weight. If you need to make any adjustments, do so before finalizing the invoice. eBay gives you the option to add a note. This can be a simple thank you message, or if there's additional information the buyer needs, include it here. It's a small touch that can enhance your customer's experience. Personalizing your note with the buyer's name or including estimated delivery times can improve your seller ratings. Once you're satisfied with all the details, you're ready to send the invoice. Locate the Send Invoice button at the bottom of the page and click it. Your invoice has now been sent to the buyer, and they'll receive a notification to proceed with payment. And that's it! You've successfully sent an invoice on eBay. With these steps, you're well equipped to handle your transactions smoothly and effectively. Keep track of invoices you've sent in a spreadsheet or using eBay's order management tools. This helps you stay organized and ensures no orders are overlooked. Happy selling!